Looking for internship will not only build your skills but also pay you up to rupees 35,000 per month. Well, they are finally here, and as they are 100% government approved. In this video, I'm going to share one of the most avoided dates on this channel, a complete list of FN based internships available on the AICT portal. You all loved the video on the free AICT plus IBM internship, and many of you have been asking, are there any paid internship too? Yes, and this video has them all across domains like AI, web development, AWS, data analytics, and more. But wait, I will also talk about the unpaid internships that are equally valuable for beginners who want to learn, build their resume, and earn free certificates. Hey everyone, I'm Namrita and welcome back to my channel Nanswell, where I bring you the latest updates on internships, jobs, skill building courses, and all the things career related. If you haven't subscribed yet, now it's the time because I make sure you never miss an opportunity that could change your future. Let's get right into the top AICT stipend based internship you can apply for right now. These internships are listed on the official AICT portal, so don't wait, apply today. So go to Google and type AICT internship, click on the first link, and then click recently posted internship. See, first one is internship, one is full time, the next one is virtual internship, means online internship, part time, upskilling or training program. Next one is stipend type, like if you want paid internship, that is stipend based internship, you can select this, or if you want unpaid internship, you can select this. Locations you can select. So let me select something like a virtual internship and stipend based internship. So here are the list of all the internships that are stipend based. You can scroll through this, or you can go through this and check the stipend. See by when you can apply, that is you can apply by 31 July 2025. Check all this and check if they are aligning with your skills. Click on next. There are many opportunities which are paid. So once go through this and apply for the internships. Let me show you one of the internship how to apply. So click on view details. So go through this, read about the program and who can apply, terms of engagement, how many openings are there. Then click on I am not a robot and click on apply now. Already I have made a video on free internship that is on front-end development in this portal only. So once check that out, I will post in the description or in the I button where I will be telling all the details like how to register, how to apply for the internship and all. Once go through that video also. So click on I'm not a robot and solve this puzzle. Then click on apply now. Then here you need to, if you are not registered, you need to register. If you already registered, then you need to log in. Click on confirm. Student, you need to select student, okay? Confirm and give your email and password. Registration process I have already told in my previous video. You can check in the I button or in the description below. So here I will just sign in and show you what to do, okay? Click on I am not a robot. Click on login. You will get successfully applied for the internship. Before applying for the internship, make sure you're filling all the details here in your profile. Go to your profile and click on edit. If you're new here, I think you will just get the forms to fill your details, or if you already registered and if you want to update the details, registration details, then you can click on edit and just fill all these details, personal details, qualification, skills, and uploading the document is compulsory here. So click on upload documents and choose the files and upload. Click here upload. This is not necessary. And transcripts means combine all your 10th 12th graduation marks sheet and make it a PDF and post here and click on upload transcripts. Then government ID proof, you can upload your Aadhaar. So before applying the internship, make sure you're filling all the details and not all the necessary details and uploading your document. So in this way, you can apply for all the internship listed here. So there are many opportunities. Just explore this website. You can find many internship opportunities, so don't miss this. Deadlines are approaching fast, especially for July ones. Make sure your resume is ready. Now, I know some of you may not qualify for the stipend based ones, or you might be just starting out. Don't worry, there are unpaid internship tools, and they are just as important. So, let me show you now some top unpaid opportunities you can try. So, here select virtual internship, unpaid internship. So here are the list of unpaid internship. In a similar way, you can just click on view details, click on I'm not robot, apply now. Then it will be automatically applied. Okay. So not only this, there are many opportunities, and you can find here also in some of the internship from verified companies or government approach internships. So go through this, check out these and see. You can see unpaid internship as well as stipend based internship. So explore this web. This is the best website for applying the internships. So go through it. So already about this internship I mentioned in my previous video. Please check it out. I'll be giving in the I button or in the description below. Check it out. Remember, not all rewards are monetary. Sometimes the knowledge and experience you gain early on is worth more than any stipend. After applying for any internship, make sure you're checking your mails regularly and even check this website regularly for the status like selected or called for interviews. And after application, after few days or few weeks, they will send you mail regarding this if you are shortlisted only, and they will also call you for interview. So get ready for it, get your resume ready. In my upcoming videos I will upload how to make a job ready resume, so stay tuned for it. That's all for today's video. So if you found this helpful, show your support by liking this video, dropping a comment with the internship you're applying for, and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more high value updates like this, both free and paid opportunities across all tech domains. Share this video with your friends as soon as possible because the deadline is approaching, so no one misses this golden chances. Until next time, stay skilled, stay updated, and keep growing. Bye bye.